Alrighty, so the deal is once you get to the point where you want to run some applications and it indicates that you want to open up like the mill emulator, if you don't run it with an install first, it's not going to open up for you. So the very first thing you got to do on your computer is go into the course tools and go to downloads. And this latest version of the Learn CNC, it's at the top. If you go and click on that to open it and click download, it'll go ahead and download this application. It might take a little while to run, but that's fine. Go ahead and click download, and once it's done like it is here, you can go ahead and click on it. And it's going to run you through the cycles here and say, hey, do you want to allow changes? And you say yes. And it takes a little bit here, preparing to install. You know, depending on your computer and what stuff you have on it, it may take longer or not. Mine is already installed, so that's why it's bringing up this screen. So yours, you can just go ahead and click next, 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 and once it's all said and done, you'll hit OK. It'll ask you, it'll kind of get to a point where, don't worry about this, but it'll get to the point where it's going to show you this screen that looks like this. Like, what applications do you want to actually install? And you'll want to make sure you have the CNC emulator and Machinist Calc Pro 1 installed. Robotic Simulator is totally optional. You don't necessarily need it. So you can uncheck that if you want to. And then go ahead and just click next and install. And once that's all done, you will no longer just go to Chrome to open up Immersive. So you won't go that route anymore. You'll actually go down to your Windows icon and you'll scroll down to the spot where it says Immersive Engineering. And if you click in there, you'll have your own Immersive icon. If you launch it from there, again, it'll kind of open up Chrome just like normal, and you can log in. But the difference is this time you'll be able to have applications and you'll be able to actually select your emulator and open your product launcher of the machine that you want to use. So here's a VF3, an older one, and you can actually take a look at this. It says press power on. You're going to hit reset to clear the alarms. You're going to hit power up restart to home your machine, and cycle start to take a little look-see at it. So this thing is pretty cool. And you're able to actually watch it run that entire program. So that's how you download and install the emulator. Have any questions, let me know.